Welcome to GuarantyCars.com. Today you've clicked on this great 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe LT Edition. 5.3 liter V8, 6-speed automatic transmission with high, low, and all-wheel drive capability. This is an LT Edition with dual climate control, power pedal height, parking sensors, and backup camera for easy parking lot maneuvers. Leather interior, heated seats, rear audio, heat and air conditioning controls, a DVD player with a set of wireless headphones. We've got running boards, 20-inch chromed alloy wheels with Goodyear high-performance radials, power lift gate with lots of extra storage. And a tow package. So for this or any other vehicles, contact me, Bill.Scott, GuarantyCars.com.